Okay, guys, this is the first video that I will record. You will find a lot more in my channel, in my YouTube channel. You will find my YouTube channel because I will flood the web with with that link. I'm planning to make daily tutorials. I am planning to do 30 tutorials, one per day. Little small, some small tips for you. Okay, this is the first one. Come on, show me. What I will try to show you is a new add-on that I found. I helped to develop. Actually, I with my feedback, the add-on now is very good for me. I'm using it every time, and it's about the backgrounds image. So as you know, the background image are tough to move around in the 3D viewport. So let me show you how this add-on works because it's really awesome. We will start seeing a lot of these blueprints because my orientation in 3D and in Blender is for architecture visualization. So we will start to see how to place the blueprints, how to work with the blueprints. This is a basic one for a first floor of a building. And for example, let's take this one. Let's suppose that you have a scale. We don't have the scale here, but let's suppose that we need this wall to have, I don't know, 30 meters. I will work with metric system, so sorry for you guys working with imperial one. So let's, for example, add this cube. I will create a dimension in the x-axis for 30 meters. So you have like a little ruler for the scale. Okay. So without this add-on, what we should do with the background image is start to moving around and guessing with the size and the location. You know, we will have to, for example, start going this way to see how the wall is located, and then we should go to this side and we should start creating a big one. I mean, increasing the size of the blueprint. Okay, you already understand that this is a tough thing to do in Blender. So with this fantastic add-on, what you can do is you can use the commands in Blender. I mean, the G, S, and R commands for grabbing, scaling, and rotating, and you can use it for the image. So for example, let's also change the pivot because it also recognizes which pivot point do you have. So let's, for example, put the cursor here in the selection. Okay, let's press this button. I mean, this option is not a toggle, so it's not like an on-off option. You have to press every time you have to do an action. So let's do this, and you can see here, like I like to call this like an action mode. You can see G, R, S. So we'll press G, we will put the wall there. Now again, transform and G. So now this is perfectly located in the blueprint, and we now have to increase and make the blueprint bigger, and this is very easy because we can put and change the pivot point to 3D cursor. We can apply the transform background image in the action mode. We can scale it. You can see now that this is pretty easy now. I mean, you can see that the wall is aligned, is on scale. So okay, I will leave the link of the add-on in the description, and if you already used it, please let me know in the comments. And if you like the video and you want more, please subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, thanks a lot, and we will see you next time. Bye.